Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you a drink that we created for our good friends at Esti. And for this we teamed up with our friends from Axia Mastiha, and the cocktail that we're going to show you is called the Hinsdale.
Hi guys, it's Kay. I'm here at TT Liquor once again, and today I'm going to be talking you through a drink that we created especially for our kitchen residents Esti, who are a Greek-Australian inspired restaurant, and this is a cocktail from their menu. This drink is called the Hinsdale. So we got this lovely Axia Mastiha. This is a really traditional Greek spirit, so we want 25 mils or 1 shot of our Mastica. Next thing going in here is going to be some green Chartreuse. So this is a nice kind of herbal liqueur from France. Just like our Mastica, we want 25 mils or 1 shot of our Chartreuse. Beautiful. Next thing going in here is going to be some maraschino liqueur. Just like our other ingredients, we want 1 shot or 25 mils of our maraschino. And our final ingredient is just going to be some fresh lime juice. And just like all our other ingredients, we are going to go with 1 shot or 25 mils of our lime juice. So now I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with some cubed ice, get the tin on and give it a shake. Whack our tin on at an angle, big old smack to seal it, and we'll give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. So I'm going to grab my hawthorn strainer, pop it in my shaker, grab my fine strainer, hold that over the glass, and strain my cocktail through both. There we go. And finally, for a garnish, I've got some nice maraschino cherries here, and drop that in there with some of the syrup as well. And that is the Hinsdale ready to drink.